everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a makeup tutorial for you all, and this is a makeup tutorial using this new palette that I just recently purchased from MAC, and this is from their Archie's Girl collection. I love this palette so much. I actually hauled this on my sister's show, so if you want to go ahead and check out the rest of the items that we bought, I will post a link in the down bar to that video. And also, I recorded us at a event that we went to for the Archie Girls collection. We went for a few days earlier before it came out, and we went to this event, and I vlogged it. I will post a link to that vlog in the down bar. It's on my It's Addicted to Face channel. But yeah, I'm going to be using this palette in this makeup tutorial. It's a really pretty palette, and it's called Carmel Sundae. It's a really, really pretty palette. I really love it, and I came up with this look using it. I really love it. It's like really simple to create, and it's like really fun colors, but they're not like super duper bright, but they're like fun and not just so neutral also. I mean, like, they're neutral, but they're not like super neutral. I mean, like, they're neutral. You guys are probably gonna be like, Allie, that's neutral. You cannot put that in the bright category. I really like it, and I wanted to go right ahead and share with you all how I did it. There's no eyeliner on the waterline. I know it may look like it, but it's just the little smudgies from the mascara, and I kind of thought that looked cool, because normally I wipe it away if I want to do like a totally no eyeliner on waterline look, but I thought that kind of looked cool from the mascara. And then my eyeshadow is really pretty, and I really like it. It's like light, but fun also. And my lips, I'm using a new color from the Archie's collection too, which you guys will see in the tutorial. And then my nails are a color from their new Archie collection. I'm just all Archied out, and this is from the Betty collection, and this is in the shade Cream Comic Cute. So if you guys are wondering what is on my nails throughout the video, this is what I have on it. But yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you want to learn how to create it, then keep on watching. Let's just get right into it. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and take a paint pot from MAC, and this is in the shade Painterly. I'm just going to go ahead and grab a little bit of this and apply it on my eyelid. This is a base for any of the shadows that we will be applying, and I did find with the MAC shadows, from the Archie Girl palette, they weren't really that pigmented. So the base really helps to make them more pigmented. So yeah, now I'm just going to go ahead and take this eyeshadow palette from the new Archie's collection from MAC, and this is in the shade Carmel Sundae, and the colors are so gorgeous and they're so pretty. I love them so much, and I'm just going to go ahead and grab that with my MAC flat shader brush. And I'm just going to go ahead and grab the color, it's like a cream color, and I'm just going to go ahead and grab that my brush and apply it into my inner tear duct. I'm also going to apply this color a little ways onto my lid too, so just in my inner tear duct and then a little ways on my lid. Now I'm just going to go and take this pink color in the palette. It's like a really light pink shimmery color, and I'm also going to grab that on the same brush that I applied the other color on my lid, which was the other color that I used was actually called Dream Maker. And now I'm just going to go and take this pink color and put a strip right in the middle of my eye. Now I found that it wasn't that pigmented with just using the brush, and I thought that the pickup would be better if I used my finger, so I just went ahead and took my ring finger, which is the most delicate finger on your hand, and I just went ahead and took that and applied it and kind of packed it onto my lid to make it more pigmented. Now taking another MAC flat shader brush, and this is actually the MAC 239 brush, I'm just going to go and take this brown color right here, which is in the shade Showstopper, and I'm just going to go ahead and grab that on my flat shader brush, and I'm going to apply this to my outer corner, which is like a strip going up like the rest of the colors that we applied. Now taking this brown color, it's like a light brown color, and it's actually called Carmel Sundae. I'm going to go ahead and grab that with my MAC 224 brush, which is the blending brush. Any blending brush will work, and I'm going to go ahead and apply this color right into my crease. This is kind of going to blend out all the colors that are going upwards, so you see them on the lid, but they're not like going all the way up like a rainbow. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and do that, and I'm going to blend it back in windshield wiper motion, and then also going to blend in my outer corner. Now it's time for the eyebrow bone. I'm just going to go ahead and take this eyeshadow from MAC, and this is in Rice Paper. And I'm just going to go ahead and grab this. It's a really nice shimmery cream color with my Too Faced flat shader brush. And I'm just going to go ahead and apply this right to my brow bones. This is a really nice color that's like make our brow bone color stand out. Now moving on to eyeliner, I'm just gonna go and grab this eyeliner from MAC, which is in Black Ice. Any black eyeliner will work. And I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this right to my tight line. And I'm also going to go ahead and apply a thin line right to my upper lash line. And I'm just gonna go ahead and apply like a thin line. Like you don't want like a thick line, but you don't want like a super thin line. You want like a thin, not super thin, but thin. Now I'm just gonna go take a black eyeshadow from MAC, which is in the shade called Carbon. Any black eyeshadow will work with a angle brush. This is the 2808 brush from MAC. And I'm just gonna go ahead and grab that with my angle brush and apply it to the liner. Now this is what you don't really have to make the liner that you applied before perfect, because we're just gonna go over with the black eyeshadow and make it more perfect. And I found that it's harder to do it with like eyeliner and make a line like really perfect, because it's just like it's all messed up. So eyeshadow is the perfect trick, because you can rub it in. If you mess up, it just blend it out with your finger. So I'm also gonna go ahead and create a little tiny wing. I wasn't gonna add a wing, but I thought I kind of needed it, so that's optional. Now taking a eyeliner from L'Oreal, and this is in Black Mica. It's L'Oreal Linear Intense, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply a thin line right at my lash line. This is going to darken up the liner, making it look more sleek and clean. Now taking a eyelash curler, I'm just going to go ahead and curl my lashes and hold for a few seconds. Now taking one of my favorite mascaras at the moment, which is by MAC, and it's one of their new mascaras. I'm just going to go ahead and apply it right to my lashes. You want to apply a lot of mascara. I'm not somebody who like applies fake eyelashes. I'm just somebody who like applies a lot of mascara and goes with their natural lashes. So if you want, you can go ahead and apply a little bit of fake lashes if you want to make this look a little bit more dramatic. But I just thought it looked pretty just like this. I also applied them to my lower. Don't forget those, babies. So yeah, this is the final eye makeup look. It's really, really pretty. I really love it, and I really hope that you guys love it too. Now that the eyes are completed, it's time to move on to cheeks. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go and grab a blush color from MAC, which is in Warm Soul. It's kind of like a peachy blush with a nice shimmer underneath. So any kind of blush like that would work with this look. And I'm just going to go and grab that with my blush brush and apply it right to the apples of my cheeks. So yeah, there's the blush. Now let's move on to lips. Taking a MAC lip conditioner, I'm going to go ahead and apply this right to my lips. I used to always see everyone on YouTube use this, and I was like, what's so good about this? So I went out and purchased it, and oh my gosh, it makes your lipstick look totally different. Then it just makes it look really flawless and nice. So I'm just going to go ahead and take a lipstick from MAC in Honey Love. This is a really nice dark nude color. I'm going to go ahead and apply this to my lips. It's going to make it my lips look really plump. Now taking another nude from MAC in the color called Myth, and I'm going to apply this right over top of my lips, over top of the Honey Love lip color. You can just apply one lip color if you want. Now taking a lip gloss from the Archie collection, and this is actually in Summer Sweetheart. I'm just gonna go ahead and take this, apply this to my lips. It's a really nice color. It's like light and pretty and not spring, just like really pretty. So yeah. If you want to go all Archie out, you can paint your nails a color from their new collection also. This is a color that's like a peachy color. You can probably get a similar color by this, like from the drugstore, if you wanted to. It's a really pretty like light pink color, and it's called Comic Cute. So yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. And here is the final eye makeup look. It's really pretty. You guys can see the little wing, and the mascara looks really nice, and the eyeshadow is just really pretty, and I just really loved it, and I hope that you guys do too. So if you guys did enjoy this video, definitely go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, definitely go ahead and subscribe. Love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Archie. Bye! Deuces!